Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to calculate the next or previous working day in a. So here I have a list of employees and their respective leave dates. Assuming everybody takes 20 working days, what will be the resumption date for each staff here? So here we want to exclude weekends and also exclude holidays that fall within these leave days. Now to do this, you can use Excel's Workday function. It requires the start date, which is in this case the date in C6, and then you provide the number of days you are adding. So I've selected 20 days. It has an optional argument. So if you don't add the holidays, the calculation just excludes weekends. And weekends by default is Saturday and Sunday. But if you have holidays, you can list them in a range of cells and then select and include these holidays. So I've selected these holidays. Because I'm going to copy down, I'm going to lock this range using the F4 key so it doesn't shift down as I copy. So this is the calculation for the first person who resumes on 7th February. So I'm going to highlight Ctrl D to copy down for the rest. So this is the default calculation using Saturday and Sunday as weekends. If your weekends are not Saturday and Sunday, you can use the version called Workday International. Now this one allows you to choose which combination of days is your weekend. Another workaround with this formula is that you can go backwards. So if you want to go and check a previous workday using the number of days, you can now put a negative, a minus against the number of days, which will take you back. Okay, so you can play with it and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to your Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.